Guys, another recipe came in. It actually didn't come in. I was washing something one day, and I made slime. It's super easy, guys. It is super simple, guys. Since this one is not sticky at all, I'm gonna do it on my surface. And for this, all you need is four ingredients. So first, you want to start off just with some body wash, guys. And you're gonna need most of the body wash because the body wash is actually what sticks things up, and you have to make sure the body wash would feel like a type of like soft soap or dial. One of those, guys. You need those type. If you don't use those type, then it's not gonna work because you want to make sure that this type that you're using is not too sticky. Just okay. I know, guys. That's something. The next thing, actually 5 ingredients. The next thing that you're needing is toothpaste. Just a little toothpaste, just to help it activate, guys, a little more, guys. And then, guys, want some, the spray that you spray around like the house and stuff. I'm gonna add some of that. Then you wanna add some hairspray. This is probably the easiest spray that you can find. Find these like at this place where you would find like a colorway or like and stuff. And then like a little same body wash, just a little. And then some water. So guys, you don't have to add water if you don't want to. I'm just gonna make mine a little jiggly. I know it seems like I'm in like a little hurry, guys. It's New Year's Eve. I made ice pops and I need to make this all perfect. Then you just wanna mix until it stops sticking. Guys, so mine's coming together pretty instantly, guys. If you guys don't see this, look at this. Guys, literally, look at how well it's coming together. Tell me if you guys think this is slime, guys. I think that this is slime. It's not too stretchy, guys, but I could tell. I can tell from the sight that this is slime. Okay, guys, this thing smells maybe a little too much. This blob of slime right here. It's a mess. Good thing that it didn't stick too much. Just mix this. I'm lucky that my mom's not here. I mean, she is here, but just not here. Just not in this thing with me. Guys, let me try to knead this. It's really pokey. You can poke it. Look, this is so nice. I wish I can actually like keep this because this slime is so nice. Maybe a little body spray though. Guys, this slime It worked. It definitely worked, guys. I definitely recommend you guys trying it out. As you guys can see, guys, it doesn't really stick that much. It really depends on how much body spray you add because mine maybe added not a lot of body wash. So maybe that was why it's a little sticky, guys. So maybe that's why. Maybe I should have never added, not the body wash. The sprays, just added. Maybe really should have never added in the water. Though I just added a little more water now. Cause guys, it doesn't really seem, it's a really jiggly, I'll tell you that. But it's a little too jiggly. Guys, this thing is starting to get really sticky. It's getting really sticky stuff, guys. This is really sticky stuff. It's coming together, guys. This thing just needs to be slime. That's all it needs. Activator is driving me crazy, alright? It's like grease. Okay, this thing is starting to look like soup. Alright, guys. So this is the final product that I got. It doesn't show the poke, guys, it's really sticky. So you guys, it feels literally like egg slime. You ever tried egg slime, guys? It's not too fluffy, guys. I think that I should add a little more body wash and I need it because the slime is pretty thick. But it lost its shape like a lot, guys. I'm sorry you can't see the body wash I'm using, guys, because this one actually comes in a pack. So I don't know how you guys would be able to find this. But I found mine at a shop, right, I'm pretty sure. So guys, I'm just going to show you guys a clip of me using this with the body wash. Alright, here you go. This thing is soupy. Just going to mix it a little. And this looks better. This looks way better than how it used to look. Okay, here comes the soupiness. Gosh. This is a mess. This is a mess. I bet if I start whipping this up like an egg, it will start to become really bad. Oh gosh, guys. Guys, so this is the final product. Actually final product. It's really sticky, like low-key sticky. It seems to come together, guys, but not as well. It's really stretchy, but its stickiness makes it not count, guys. I definitely say that this thing worked because I stick to this thing, but I think that you guys should need this for a little longer time, and it should form a better slime. I mean, the thing is that when I put my hands in it, it literally kind of like, guys, so I bet if you guys were doing this, probably work out a little better for you, then it would really work for me because this body wash thing is like driving me crazy. It's an issue. Body wash. Maybe I should use a different body wash next time. Guys, so make sure to smash the like button if you're new, subscribe, and if you watch my videos already and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to. And I'll see you next time, and bye guys. I'll try to make a part 2 and see what it turns out like when I leave it out. I think I should redo this one. I'm actually gonna redo this one. Alright guys, so now we have our circle, we're going to redo this one. So let's do it. So I'm going to start off, guys, this time I'm going to make a smaller batch, and with that, which includes less stickiness, guys, and easier and less messier. So we're just going to start off by adding in your body wash. Guys, make sure if you're watching this video now, comment down what you think I can improve this video on. Huh? And then the hairspray. I'm just gonna use these things again, guys, because they're the only activators that you'd be using for this. And I'm just gonna add a little of this. Just the hair. The reason is to make it not too sticky. And I see the bubbles trying to form already. And then they said to add a little bit of water. Now this is the thing that I think that made it not work too well, but I'm gonna give it a try anyway. Alright guys, show you guys a clip of me mixing it, guys, because it looks fine right now. There you go, good girl. There you go. Make slime. Girl, make slime. Please. I can't take the risk of failing. Add a little more water to you to make you a little more like how I want you. I don't think this is gonna work anymore because of the water. Because of the amount of water I added. But it still looks like it's gonna come together. And it's not really even sticking. The only thing that's really sticking right now is the body wash. And it's leaked out a little. Okay, I'm adding lots of water. And it's not really seeming to make the texture too jiggly. Maybe it's to mix it fast. Yeah, to mix it. What it is right now. Add some more of this body wash. Add some more body wash, guys, because the body wash helps it also get a little more flex sticky, guys. So, guys, if I did this without the body wash, it wouldn't even work. So I'm gonna add more of this to make it maybe a little less sticky. So, just gonna mix this up again. That's a little more water too. Guys, so I don't know if it's gonna work. Gosh. My gosh. Whipping this up, it doesn't happen. This one worked a little worse, guys, because I didn't activate it. That's why. It's because I didn't activate it, guys. That's why. These are really bad because it didn't activate it. There we go. Can you guys even see this? See that? Okay. Just make sure you guys can see what's happening. Guys, I'm literally missing out on all the fun. Gosh, no, you can't go into the sink. Do you guys see this? Let's make it a little less sticky. Okay, maybe that was a little too much. This also fell. I feel like getting up with my hands. It didn't work though. I can tell that this one didn't work based on how based on how I'm working it with my hands, guys. Working it with my hands and the texture is really like soup. It's still like body wash. So that we could baffle this, guys. That's the good thing. Look at it, guys, it's literally soup. Dude, I'm not dead. You could spread your whole counter with it. do whatever you want with it, guys, but it's not going to become like slime. Make sure to smash like button, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.